In this video, we will talk about Export All URLs plugin. As of now, it has 30,000 active installations. Hi, my name is Pankaj Solanki and I am a WordPress developer from Kreativo Pro team. So this plugin is used to export all the URLs of posts, pages, authors, or custom post types, etc. So let's first see when you would want to use this. So if you want to check all the links of your website, then you want to use this plugin and export all the links. Another thing is when you are migrating from one domain to another or one hosting to another, then you need to know all the links of your site so that you can set up correct redirections so you don't lose SEO. Another thing is security audit. For example, if your site has been hacked and you don't know which pages have been created in your website, so it's a good way to get all the links and check them one by one to ensure that your site is functioning correctly. Another thing is if your SEO guy is asking to build a manual HTML or XML sitemap, then you need to know how many pages you have and the exact links of them. Another thing is if you have moved from AMP to non-AMP, or if you have changed your post or page link, then you need to set up 301 redirects. This is best for SEO, and at that time you also need links of your pages and posts. So it's very useful plugin when used correctly. Let's come to our site, and I have already installed the plugin. You want to come to the tool section and click on export all URLs. So here is asking for some questions like all links, pages, post, custom post type, or only pages or only posts. Let's go with all types. Then you can export additional fields like post ID, URLs, categories and all. Let's go with them. And post status, you want published posts only or pending or all. Let's go with all. There are another filters like date, range, which author. Let's also see the advanced section. So it can also export WooCommerce data, and if you want, you can also exclude the domain. So it just comes with / no domain name. It is very useful for migrating website from one domain to another. Right now we don't need this. And number of posts, we need all. Let's hide the advanced section, and I'll go with CSV output. So data has been exported and I can click here to download the file. Let's open the file. So it has given me ID of all the posts, title, links and categories. So what I can do is, if I am moving from localhost to, let's say, xyz.com, https xyz.com, then I can just copy it and replace them with xyz. And once I have it for all the pages, then I can set up my redirects. It's very easy to use plugin and the settings are very simple. Now the tutorial is over and I have a question for you. Do you want to customize your WordPress website so that it looks unique and give you more conversions than regular plain copy pasted WordPress websites? Then hear this out. Over the last 10 years of working with WordPress websites, we have identified over 50 WordPress customizations that, when done right, these make your site look unique and increase conversion rates. And we have built a PDF report where we show you what the customization can do for you and how to do it on your website. And if you want to download it, just click to free ebooks, enter your name and email address, and we will send it to you via email. Thank you. See you in my next video.